I wanna scream, I wanna jump for joy, I want everyone to know. Jump for joy, jump for joy. Good morning. Another highlight of our trip, or at least at my trip, because I'm gonna do the highest bungee jump in the world. That's over there. Fucking amazing bridge. It's like 200 meters high. My family came all the way from Holland to support me on this jump. Here's Tante Tineke, Ome Kok.
Don't you think it's a bit high, this bridge?
It's too high. Way too high. Wow, wow, wow. I'm all buckled up. I've got my Batman socks on, so I'm ready to fly. I've got the necklace of my grandma with a guardian angel. This is the glasses of my grandpa, so he's a bit with me as well. And now I'm ready to jump off that, that bridge. Oh shit, het ding hangt al.
Oh, je ziet het niet pas.
Die gele dingetjes.
Ja, tot zover ga je.
Jezus Christus. The nerves are coming up now and I'm starting to shit my pants already. Wish me luck.
It all starts now.
Why am I doing this? Don't look down. Voor je kijken doorlopen.
Enjoy.
Here we go.
Everybody jump, jump. Jump for joy.
I'm the first. Fuck me.
Everybody jump.
Heart rate is pumping.
You want to toast over the edge?
Holy shit! That was fucking awesome! Man. What the fuck? That's not alright. Holy shit, that was an experience. What do I do? It felt a little bit like coming. Oh yeah. Nikke hier. Kom maar even.
Goed hoor.
Still alive. That was the best experience I've ever had. It was so fucking amazing. This bridge is awesome. Feels a bit like getting a blowjob. Oh, fuck yeah. Woo! I get the chicken pox. How do you call that again? Chicken skin? I don't know, but the adrenaline kicks in and that's like the best feeling ever. Oh fuck yeah, that was really good. My throat is all sore from screaming. Feels like 3 days after carnival and I have the feeling that the whole world have heard me, but man, it was worth it. It was all worth it. Highest bridge bungee jump in the world. Check. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If not, watch it again. If not, just go over here and do it yourself. Yeah, hope to see you next time on the vlog. Why not? Check it. Blah, 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 blah.